Blurring an object is one of the easiest things to do. Now, usually the challenge comes when you are to blur an object that is moving or a video that is not static and you are to blur an object. That's where the challenge comes. So sit with me, let me show you how to quickly do it. And it is very simple. You will be amazed that you didn't know how to do it. So the first thing you are going to do is duplicate this video. Now tap on the original video. Look for effect, video effect. Search for blur. Now use this blur. Now you see I've successfully blurred out the entire video, right? Good. Now this other part, you tap on it and overlay it. You drag it so that it will be in alignment. Now you see that this part that you blurred is behind, while the part that you did not blur is at the front. Good. You are going to tap on the part, the overlay, click on mask. Now this is where the trick happens. You are going to search for whatever item you want to blur out. For me, I want to blur out one of my faces. If you notice, it is harder to blur out my face because I'm dancing and I'm moving from left to right like that. So my face is not static. So it makes it harder. You literally have to master keyframe before you can do that. But this time around, this can help me blur it out easily. So I'm going to choose circle mask. Now I'll take it to the face I want to blur. For me, I want to blur out this my face. Now that I've done this, let's watch. So you see my face is visible, right? And it's as though I did the opposite, right? This is where the magic happens. You click on invert. Now that you inverted, you have successfully blurred out just my face and every other thing is showing. Now this will not only happen for face or anything. This can happen for vehicle, a moving vehicle. You want to blow out the plate number, things like that. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. Bye.